I'm going to show you how you could use Topic Scout on YouTube Creator AI to make videos that people actually want to see on YouTube. So come to your custom niche. Let's say you are a beauty and fashion channel. Just click Find Trends. This is going to take a little bit of time, but this is going to do all the research for you. I know a lot of creators struggle with, hey, what type of video should I create? I do beauty and fashion. What videos should I make that people will want to watch? And what this Topic Scout is going to do is do all that research for you, show you what topics that are popular with people on YouTube right now, give you an angle of how you can film it and why it's trending. So it's going to rank these number 1 through 5, the Skin First Revolution in Biotech Skincare. So this gives us why it's trending. The beauty industry is currently seeing a significant shift towards skin first cosmetics, the angle you can take, and it's going to tell you how to film it. Number 2, unethical beauty brand exposures and greenwashing, controversial fashion trends making a comeback, bubble skirts and mesh ballet flats, celebrity worst dress. So this gives you everything you need for if your niche is beauty and fashion. And any of these topics that you like, you can just save them here to your notes. You can copy all these topics to your own notepad, or you can click this button and ask AI about it. Let's try another one. Let's say you do videos on gaming. And once again, you can do any videos that you want. What this Topic Scout is going to do is really just give you, hey, these are if you're doing gaming videos already, these are the types of gaming videos that you should do, because these are what people are watching currently on YouTube. I know there's some strategies to do like outlier videos or videos that's not getting a lot of traction, but our Topic Scout here is going to find, hey, this is what you should be making videos about. Plants vs. Zombies replanted AI art controversy, Windows 11 gaming copilots privacy and performance issues, Battlefield 6 mobility and sparkling skins, Xbox President's Console, Elden Ring Tarnished Edition, Nintendo Switch 2 delay. So this is going to give you five ideas about gaming. Now let's try another one. Let's say you do sports. Let's try sports here. So this is going to once again do all the research for you, give you updated topics that are currently happening that people are watching on YouTube, and save you a lot of time in terms of, hey, searching YouTube, searching trends, hey, what's an angle that I should take on it. Our Topic Scout is going to do all of this for you. Of course, the number 1 topic right now is the NBA gambling scandal. Once again, YouTube is an international Women's Cricket World Cup, NFL Week 8, the World Series is coming up, and controversies in sports. So let's say you want to do one on this number 1 and you don't know a lot about it. You could ask our AI about it, and it's going to think and give you all the information that you need about this particular topic. I have a previous conversation here, but this is going to give you all the information. So let's, the NBA has been significantly impacted by the widespread gambling scandal. So this gives you all of the details you need to know about that particular topic, so you can make a great video about it. Check it out, YouTube Creator AI. Come to the Topic Scout, drop down your niche, or you can even put in a custom niche and really get even more specific about a certain player, things like that. Check it out. It's totally free, YouTubeCreatorAI.com.